Students come into schools experiencing many different emotions. Sometimes these emotions are caused by underlying factors that peers and teachers aren't aware of, and children often can't explain. Things such as change, loss, and grief. These can cause many mixed emotions to occur, as students often don't know the ways in which they can deal with these emotions. Some of these feelings include feelings of anger, feelings of sadness, and feelings of confusion. These are just some of the many emotions that can be experienced in classrooms that teachers need to be aware of and need to know how to deal with. But where do we stand as teachers? Do we erase what we choose to ignore? Or do we assist the child in dealing with these emotions by teaching strategies needed to get through the tough times? Students experience many different types of things, experiences and emotions such as grief, the heartbreaking pain of loss, and change that often comes unexpected, where students don't really know how to react. Students need to be exposed to many different ideas and different solutions that can turn the way they feel from being sad to being happy, or from an unwanted emotion to a wanted emotion by not just themselves but their peers. They need to adopt strategies that they can use when they start to feel these feelings. In order to do this effectively, teachers need to investigate why the child is feeling the way that they are. They then need to offer support. Children need to know that they can speak to the teacher or anybody that they feel comfortable with and express their emotions and their feelings, and know that there is always somewhere to go and someone to talk to when in need. Some effective strategies include breathing techniques, the promotion of physical activity, or even just a walk, and something that has been rather effective in schools seen on placement is the time where students can write to themselves about how they feel and what they would prefer to feel. Writing gives them a chance to express exactly what they want to say to themselves. It can be personal or can be shown to a teacher or someone that they prefer. Something that teachers need to make students aware of as well is that children are often caught up in things that they can control and things that they can't control, yet they don't know the difference. They need to understand that things that they can control, they can change, but things that they can't control, they need to deal with, yet they need to know ways how. A very useful clip on YouTube called Teacher Tipster Bubble Pop and Behaviour represents a good way for teachers to represent to students how to deal with their behaviour and how to deal with their emotions. This video will be shown to you in a clip once this clip has finished. This video promotes the idea of self-control to students, and according to the man that promoted this video, they'll never forget the time they overcame the urge to pop those bubbles. So it's very interesting to have a look into the video and the way it can adapt to the children and their behaviour. Another very effective and necessary learning tool is promotion around the classroom of ways that students can deal with their behaviours and their emotions, especially things like stress. Having a picture or an image such as this allows students to see, with the use of visual and wording, how to deal with their emotions and how to deal with stress in the most efficient way possible. It is also effective and definitely relates to the students if books are read that relate to the way they feel and relate to dealing with emotions and different types of feelings. For example, Wilma Jean and the Worry Machine and the way she stresses and worries and ways that she deals with that, and The Giving Tree, which talks about change. These are just a few of the examples that can be used in the classroom to explain to students that emotions are felt among everybody and not just them, so they don't feel alone. The sooner their emotions are understood by not just themselves but teachers, and then strategies are devised of ways that they can deal with these emotions, the sooner teachers can expect a healthy classroom.